Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AMD easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by researching AMD's recent performance and market trends. Visit reliable financial news websites to gather data. Open an investment account if you haven't already done so. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your investing style. Ensure the platform offers access to stocks traded on major exchanges. Complete the account registration process by providing necessary information. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to start investing. Search for AMD stock using its ticker symbol, AMD. Review the current stock price and historical performance data. Evaluate the stock's price-to-earnings ratio and market capitalization. Analyze AMD's quarterly earnings reports for insight into its financial health. Look into AMD's competitive positioning within the semiconductor industry. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your investment strategy. Place a buy order for AMD stock through your brokerage platform. Choose between a market order or a limit order, depending on your preference. Confirm the details of your order before finalizing the purchase. Monitor your investment performance regularly through your brokerage account. Stay updated on AMD's news and industry developments that may affect its stock price. Review your investment goals periodically to ensure they align with your strategy. Be prepared to adjust your holdings based on market changes and company performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.